IRC containers offer a range of combination packaging solutions for the transportation of Class 6.2 Category A infectious substances, with or without thermal control, in volumes from 50 millilitres to 4 litres. Having successfully undergone independently verified tests, such as a 9-metre drop test, this range is UN approved for compliant transportation of Category A infectious substances and is immediately available with no minimum order quantity. Category A infectious substances require a triple packaging solution, which, in this example, consists of a leak-proof primary receptacle, a leak-proof secondary packaging capable of withstanding an internal pressure of 95 kPa, and a rigid outer packaging. Absorbent material and cushioning will also be required. Always refer to the assembly instruction for code 332 when assembling this packaging. Wrap the sealed, leak-proof primary receptacle within the absorbent material and the cushioning. Place the wrapped primary receptacle into the biotube. Securely close the leak-proof lid. For extra protection, place the biotube into the bubble pouch provided. Place into the outer packaging. Add the foam protection pad at the top of the box and close the outer packaging flaps in numerical order as printed on the box, securing flap 4 with a pre-placed double-sided tape. Seal with 50mm adhesive tape in a U-shape. Your product is now correctly packaged and ready for the appropriate hazard labels to be affixed and all other necessary consignment information ready for transport.